For today's video, we're going to be doing a room tour, so I hope you guys enjoy it, and make sure you like it. So when you first walk into my room, to the left you have like these two little shelves, and on my shelves I just have like perfume, candles and stuff like that. And in this jar is just gonna be like candy and stuff. And yeah, and under it is my suitcase and my art kits and stuff. Then to the right of that, if you're looking at it, I have my freshman board, clock. I have my desk. I still need to get a chair, but yeah, I have a trash can, my tablet, my phone, a Bluetooth speaker. I do like Hello Kitty, so. And then in these drawers are just pens, pencils, tipping, sharpeners, stamps, and it's just like a bunch of junk, like the crafts, because I like crafts, because obviously I got a lot of art stuff over there. And then this drawer is just like my camera stuff. That drawer is like extra stuff. Mainly these drawers are junk drawers, but definitely this one is a junk drawer. And then this one is just like notebooks and things like that, and coloring books. Yeah. Then next to that is my closet, and this has my Ohana bag on it, and it locks, and it twists the opposite way, and that's a closet, and it's really cool in there. Then I have my curtains, which lead outside of that is, I don't think you can see it, but there's a patio. And then I have over here just my my alarm clock and my heart rate thing. I have to use a heart rate thing because it's my stuff. Then I have my bed. Yep, okay. My bed. And next to that is my oxygen machine because I sleep with oxygen. Then over here is just like my little shelf. I'm just gonna call it my little shelf, even though it's not a shelf. And this is like all my makeup and things like that. And that's hair. No, this is nails. That's nails. Hairs. No, that's my like school. This is all my hair stuff. And then under that is a junk. And then on top of it is my other alarm clock, which is a Hello Kitty one. My iPod. This, which goes to my piggy bank, and my holiday Barbie that I got for Christmas. And there are two more on the side of that. And all of them are not mine, only this one is mine that I got for Christmas. And then I have all my medals on my dresser on each side. This is my dresser. The top row is all books. The second row is like stuff, I guess. Like over here, it's like a bracelet maker thing. This is supposed to be on a mirror, but I don't have one. Well, actually I have one now, but it's for the bathroom. But I didn't want to put it in there, so I just use it. It's like decoration. And then I have my picture frame. I have this, which I made in 7th grade. I have this Orbeez thing. I have two cameras that need to be like emptied, I guess, to get my pictures. I have the Bible, I have a Uno game, and toothpaste. I don't know why toothpaste, but toothpaste. There's also my junk stuff. I have a lot of junk drawers and things like that. Another picture frame, my purse, for usually when I walk out the door, and all of my nail polish. That was my nail polish drawer, but all of my nail polish is in there. And then my coat usually is hung right here, but I'm gonna get something for my closet, and my backpack and coat will be hung up there. And on the back of the door is a mirror. It's okay.
Ah! No. I know it's that bad. Oh, you told me that. I'm gonna fix that real quick. How you do?
Thanks for watching.